Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your portfolio, here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform using Astra WordPress theme. So just we can scroll down and let's see. Here you can see you can upload your own demo content and add your services. Here you can see this is a web designer portfolio. In this way you can add your own portfolio skills and display your images, content as well as videos. So you just don't need any type of programming or coding skills to build this type of website. So let's see how it works. Here you can see this is a professional logo, menu, and this is a button. Here you can see. So let's see how we can create this type of website. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here. The first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down. Here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you know, we have installed almost all plugins, and now you can see our website looks clean and simple. We want to add this professional design in our simple website. So let's see how we can do that. Just go to dashboard. After that, here you can find out appearance, and the next here you can see starter templates. So scroll down, here you can see build your website now. After that we can select here Elementor page builder. So now you can find out hundreds of pre-built templates that comes with Astra WordPress theme. Just you can find out required template according to your category, as well as you can type a keyword related to your business. For example, I can add a keyword here. So here you can see I have found all the templates related to portfolio. So just I can select this one. After that, here you can add your own logo file. If you don't have any logo, just you can skip and continue. Now you can select color scheme as well as font family. After that, click here continue. Now you can fill out this form, add your name, email address, your expertise. After that, here you can see if you are building for yourself, just you can select this one.
After that, click here on the button submit and build my website. So in this way you can get this professional website design within couple of clicks. Now if you want to edit this logo, how you can do that? Just go to customizer. After that, on the left side you can see header builder. Just go to site title and logo. So now you can add here your own logo file. After that, if you want to change this menu, how you can do that? Just go to menu page. Here you can see. Here you can see how the menu page looks. It has multiple menus. Just you can select any of the menu. So at this time I can select primary menu. After that, now if I want to add anything in this, for example, I can select here this one. So then click add to menu. Here you can see it has added in the menu. After that, you can sort your menu. Here you can see drag and drop functionality. After that, if you want to remove anything, just click here and remove. The next, just you can click save menu. After that, if you want to edit these images and content, how you can do that? Just go to edit with Elementor. Here you can see this is Elementor page builder. Just you can edit anything. Just click here on the image. Here you can see on the left side it has a large image. Just you can upload your own images. Also you can add here your own text. For example, I can add here. So here you can see the text has changed accordingly. After that, this is the button. Just you can click here and you can link the button with any page. For example, I can copy this page link. After that, I can add a link here. So now you can scroll down. In this way you can edit the complete WordPress website.